Welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing a 3-piece interconnected smoke alarm from WisuAlarm. It comes with screws, mounting bracket and a user manual with 6 languages including Dutch, and that's a plus for me. Nothing special about the screws, just drill a hole, put the plugs in and attach the mounting bracket. The color of the smoke alarm is white, and according to most homes the ceiling is white, so it will blend in. The mounting bracket looks sturdy with 2 mounting holes. When mounted, you can just twist the smoke alarm on and off. Before use, pull the tab to activate the battery, and important, the battery is not replaceable. Okay, let's pull the tab. The short beep indicates that it's activated, and now let's push the test button. It's loud. Let's get all 3 out and let's pair them. Pull the tab. It's really satisfying. Again, a short beep to let you know it's activated. To pair them, press the button 4 times in a row, and on the second device 2 times in a row. I think I did something wrong here. Let's try again. Again, I didn't do it right. But with the last beep, it's paired. Now let's try again on the third device. Press the button twice. The beep confirms that we paired it. When device 1 is in pairing mode, you got 3 minutes to pair all the devices. If you're done, you press the button once and you get it out of pairing mode. Neat feature is when your alarm goes off, you can silence it with any infrared remote in your home. First of all, make sure you have a working smoke alarm in your home. This smoke alarm has a good design and blends in well. Let's get to the pros and cons. First, the pros. It's easy to prepare and easy to install. Pairing is really easy and you can connect up to 24 devices. We have a long battery life of 10 years, and most important, it's loud. I could only find one con, and that is the battery is not replaceable by the user. My honest opinion about this device is that everybody needs a smoke alarm. It blends in well, it's well built, and it has a battery life of 10 years. It shows you by the blinking lights which alarm has been triggered and which has not. If you want to protect your loved ones and you want to get 15% off, use code LICKY15. Again, I don't get paid to make this review or get any commission, but I hope it helps you out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next.